Ndereti ĩno ya ũhũthĩri wa nenda yambĩrĩirio nĩ mũtongoria wa rĩngĩ mbunge-inĩ ya kĩbũrũri Kimani Ichung'wa, akiuga mũgarũ na mũhuhu ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũgĩtambio nenda-inĩ, watho ũyũ ũrongoreirie wagĩrĩru wa Akenya.
One, to stem the culture of recruiting young people into terrorism online. Two, to stem the culture of religious extremism and cultic behavior within our religious organizations.
President Ruto augĩte watho ũyũ ũrongoreirie kũgitĩra Akenya kumana na maũndũ matiganĩte marĩa mangĩ makora maumanĩte nenda-inĩ.
We are doing the right thing for Kenya. We want to protect this nation from situations that undermine the well-being of the young people of our nation, the well-being of the people of Kenya, the security of the country, na yale mambo mengine ambayo yatatusaidia.
Augĩte we gwĩkĩra kĩrore watho ũyũ mũthĩ ũrĩa Raila Odinga ahurũkire, gũtiarĩ na ũndũ mũhithe no maũndũ maringanire.
Mimi niliamuka on Wednesday. Mimi nikiwa na kwa sababu hiyo ndio ilikuwa kazi yangu ya siku hiyo. Na ni kazi ya kikatiba ya kutia mkono sheria, kwa sababu ilikuwa imepita viwango vyote. Nikaletewa na speaker. Bahati mbaya tukapoteza waziri wetu mkuu wa zamani, lakini tayari nilikuwa ofisini.
Atongoria gũkũ nĩmorĩtie President Ruto kũhingia ciĩranĩro ciake kũrĩ mũingĩ.
Kwanza wewe president, vita yako kubwa watu wanasema you promise lakini unapiga kona. Promises are good lakini fulfill your promises, na tutasaidiana kufulfill promises. Kama watu nilikuja kuwasalimia kaniambia lakini wewe uko na promises mingi sana. Kijole promises nikajua unajua hii promise ni yangu na president. So tutalipa na wewe.
Nilikuwa na kutumia message na kuambia shida za security za Laikipia. The minute Inspector General Kanja became the IG, alinipigia simu na akaniambia usiwahi pigia president tena. I am here for you. I'm here for Laikipia County 24 hours a day.
Mutigaire Kirosho acakaĩtwo ta mũndũ mũtana ũrendete andũ a itũra rĩake na ũrarĩ gĩtugĩ kĩa bata kĩa mũciĩ wake.
Ninawaomba watu wa Nyeri, watu wa hapa Laikipia, watu wa sehemu yote ya Kenya. Hapa ni very important place because we are in Rift Valley and we are nearing Central region. And I believe that if we can work together, if we can manage our matamshi.
So he has left a family that is stable, a family that is forward-looking, and a family that knows those values that we must keep on forging forward.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia, njĩtagwo Gĩthui wa Wairimũ.